Hello, everyone. I hope everything is going good. And my name is Dhruv Kumar Patel, and me and my team will introduce you today to Yelp's Redesign app and the concept of the Yelp Redesign app. So here we go. Uh, so the current system that Yelp operates on is a platform connecting users with local businesses through user-generated content like reviews, ratings, and photos. The system puts a heavy emphasis on review system, which is a detailed review and rating mechanism offering users insights into businesses. A business tool, which features for business owners to manage profiles, respond to reviews, and utilize advertising. Community engagement, act, active involvement through events and programs. Data architecture historically relied on monolithic system for all functions, leading into insufficiencies in scaling and updates. Now let's talk about SWOT. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Some of the strengths that Yelp has right now is comprehensive review system with options for filtering and sorting, strong reputation for supporting local businesses in diverse industries, advanced tools for business owners, including analytic and customer interaction management. Let's talk about some weaknesses. So some weaknesses are issue with review accuracy and transparency in filtering and impacting user trust, lack of modernized interface on key screens, affecting usability, limited social media and limited social network integration compared to competitors like Facebook. Let's talk about some opportunities that Yelp has. Improve personalization using AI to enhance user experience, expansion into global markets with localized features and multilingual support, partnerships with mapping and travel platforms to broaden competitive edge. Let's talk about some threats. Strong competition from Google Maps and TripAdvisor, user preference shifting to platforms offering social integration and quick access, for example, Facebook recommendations, specialized competitors in niche markets, for example, TripAdvisor in travel and OpenTable in reservations. Some of the specific project requirements for this project: functional requirements, including search filters, reviews, personalization, business tools. Search and filters, enhanced search with advanced filters, for example, location, price, ratings. Reviews, keyboard-based review posting with optional custom text and photos. And for personalization, we have tailored recommendation based on your user activity. Business tools, dashboard for business to manage review and details. Next, we have technical requirements. Architecture transition to client server for scalability and efficiency. Database, hybrid design, relational for structured data, no SQL for unstructured. Cloud scalability, load balancing, clustering, and CDN caching. Performance requirements. That includes response times, fast data retrieval through efficiency, query, optimization, and CDN caching. Have scalability, ability to handle increasing user traffic, especially during peak times, using a modern design. Up next, we have security requirements, which includes data protection, centralized data processing with encryption for sensitive data like user credentials, role-based access, ensuring secure access for business owners and user based on their roles. Last, we have usability and integration, and that includes UI, which stands for user interface. It's simplified, responsive design, and clear navigation. And it also comes with accessibility features. Third-party integration, API gateway for mapping and payment services.
All right, so this is the DFD for Yelp, and we have a link for it too, so you can click it and it just pulls it up so you can read it better. So for the computing architecture used, this project implemented a client-server architecture with a star topology optimizing performance, scalability, and maintainability. And some key features are the client layer, server layer, database layer, load balancer, content delivery network, and API gateway. And the benefits are scalability, which is horizontal scaling to accommodate increased traffic, and security, centralized data processing enhances control over sensitive information. Efficiency, faster response times due to balanced workloads and CDNs. Flexibility, modular design supports faster updates and feature additions without disrupting the entire system. And this is the ERD for Yelp that we came up with. And this is the database design from the ERD with each table listed below, starting with the users table, business table, reviews table, photos table, response, and business owner tables. And the relationships from that, we have users and businesses have a one-to-one many relationship. The business and reviews have a one-to-many relationship. And the businesses and photos have a one-to-many relationship.
Here's our prototype sketches. On the left is the original Yelp search page. As you can see, it has just what you can really see is just the restaurants, bars, food, and delivery tabs. But with our redesign, we chose to have those tabs to be smaller images on the top, and it can also show all your recent searches that you've made, so that way you can go back to places you've been before. For our filter page, the old Yelp page has just a little few options. It has $, double $, triple and quadruple $, and tabs for deals, new items, restaurants are open, places to offer cashback, and distance. With our new filter page, we added general settings tab and user reviews tab, so you can filter between those and whether or not it's clean, it tastes good, it's healthy, it's fresh, as well as keeping some of the old $ options for prices, and if it has any different amenities that make it unique. For the reviews page, we went from having just a text-based review system to having more of an option review system where you can do the 5 stars, but also have little tags onto it, with also having a text-based review, but you can also have images and linked onto your profile with the reviews. To recap all that, we've redesigned the search page with horizontal category bars, the filter options split into general settings, pricing, popularity, and user reviews keywords, and we have a keyword-based review submission for quick feedback. I use a documentation plan included navigation, where navigation to get there, you go from the home screen to the search results, business detail, user profile, map view. Our instructions are use category icons or search bar for business searches, apply filters via funnel for icon for refined results, post reviews using predefined keywords or optional custom text. To get to our help system, integrate an FAQ and contact your help accessible in the app. Our lessons learned, we learned that it's the importance of modular design, ensuring scalability and maintenance. We also learned balancing user-friendly interfaces with robust backend architecture and challenges in hybrid database integration and cloud optimization. Our future plans for the system will be social integration. We want to add features like friend-based recommendations and activity sharing. For global expansion, we want to implement multilingual support and regional localization. For our strategic partnerships, collaborate with travel, delivery, and mapping platforms. For sustainability, we want to introduce eco-friendly filters and certifications. For advanced business tools, offer enhanced analytics and advertising options for businesses. For platform optimization, we want to improve mobile usability, accessibility, and response times. for community engagement. We want to host events, contests, and reward programs for reviewers.
All right, guys, that concludes the presentation. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, let us know in the comment section below, and me and my team will be more than happy to answer it for y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for staying with us. Thank y'all for paying attention. And I hope everyone has a good break and an amazing Christmas. Bye, guys.